In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an opportunity stage conversion report in Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or new to building reports, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to create valuable insights into your sales data. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Salesforce homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar interface that serves as your central hub for all Salesforce activities. From there, locate and click on the Reports tab on your dashboard. The Reports section is where you can access and manage all your reporting needs, making it the perfect starting point for our task today. Next, you will need to create a new report, so look for and click on the New Report button. This action will open a dialog where you can choose the type of report you want to create. It's important to select the appropriate type of report to ensure that you're pulling in the right data. In today's guide, we're focused on opportunities, so you'll want to choose the Opportunities option when prompted to select your report type. After selecting the report type as Opportunities, go ahead and click on Continue. This will take you to the Report Builder interface where you can start customizing your report. Now, it's time to add groups and columns to define the structure and content of your report. The Report Builder is intuitive, allowing you to drag and drop fields as needed. Here, you'll want to add fields that will help you understand the conversion stages of your opportunities. Consider adding columns that represent the various stages your sales opportunities go through, as well as any key performance indicators or metrics that are relevant to your analysis. Once you've added and arranged your groups and columns to your satisfaction, take a moment to review your selections. Ensure that everything is set up correctly and aligns with the insights you're aiming to gather from this report. This is also a good opportunity to make any final tweaks or adjustments that might be necessary for clarity or detail. Finally, when you're happy with the setup, you can go ahead and save your report. Give it a meaningful name that will help you easily identify it later. Taking the time to properly name your report will also aid in sharing and collaborating with colleagues who might benefit from this data. And there you have it. You've successfully created an opportunity stage conversion report in Salesforce. This report can now be accessed at any time from your Reports tab and will serve as a powerful tool for tracking and analyzing the efficiency and effectiveness of your sales processes over time.